estimate the whole sample and maybe transfer your model to other areas or to other data. So I want to know which technique you use to, validate your models.
Okay, because I had different traits, which also in a case that they were influenced by different fixed factors as well as different random factors. But however, the model was just influenced by that, and also the fact that I had to make a SIA model as well as a demo.
But how did you validate your models to know that your models are effective and we can transfer them to a different data set which has the same variables as you have actually?
The ones that I had the same traits or variables.
Yes.
Okay, I used the Takey's HSD procedure.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, no, I was going to ask the same question, by the way. If you are using models, you have to validate them for accuracy. But what you're answering is completely a bit different from what he's asking. You can continue the conversation outside, ne? Yeah, thanks. And let's clap hands again for Ms. Mashamanta. Okay, guys, sorry, with the hands, it's because I've changed my help. Simple rules. If I raise this, means 2 minutes. If I raise it for the last time, gone. Should I use this one? Yes, sorry, my bad. So this is forward. This is backward. This is, I'm lighting up. Yeah. For those who want to okay. Can I ask for the attention, please?
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Pumlani Zwane. I am a staff member under the Risk and Vulnerability Science Center at the university. I'm going to be very short because I understand that there are students that are supposed to be really presenting. So I just wanted to share with you some of the work that we have done in the side of vendor. So those who were here yesterday would remember that there was a study that was done in Rampaila where one of my colleagues, Mr. Mashau, focused on the use of leaf area index to estimate canopy. So this is a study that was co-authored by Professor Mohammed El-Basit, and it is basically just to integrate different data sets, ground-based data sets like your NDVI, leaf area index, and many other parameters. And then we also combine them with thermal infrared. So we use the camera, a thermal infrared camera. And then we also used unmanned aerial vehicle, which is a drone. We use a drone data to actually try and estimate canopy temperature. So this is going to be the outline. So temperature is one of the important variables as agricultural field, and it is really affecting, especially crops like tomatoes, are being actually affected severely by temperature. So to estimate temperature in such areas like Venda, it is actually of importance for farmers to actually understand the variation of temperature, because it may lead to water shortages like the stress and many other deficiencies. So we estimate this using remote sensing or using thermal infrared regions. So as you may see from the slide, we actually focused on the regions from the NIR, which is the near infrared, until the shortwave infrared. So this is basically just the concept of how we actually come about in actually estimating the temperature from the spectral radiance existence of the properties, from the radiation laws. Those who did atmospheric science will remember that we